to my first cleaning video of 2021. I thought I would do a bit of a deep clean because I just felt like I had a lot of dust and stuff around that I really needed to do. But I do have a question for you. Does anyone else, when they start to do a really big clean, like at first they're super motivated and they focus on the details and they get lots done, but then as you progress with cleaning you kind of get over it, so you just start to like do the basics or like the bare minimum when cleaning? Yeah, that happened in this video. So what I filmed the other day when I was in a super productive and motivated cleaning mood, I cleaned so much of my bedroom, I got so much done, and then today when I just wanted to like get the rest of the house clean, I just kind of cleaned what needed to be cleaned. So I don't know if I'm the only person that does that just like progressively just does less and less because you kind of get over it, but that's what happened in this video. It is a whole apartment clean with me, so I thought I would share some cleaning motivation with you. First thing I'm going to start with today is my bedroom. I'm going to take all of my bedding and go and wash it. It's like 36 degrees today, so it's nice and hot for me to put these out on the balcony, and hopefully they'll dry really, really quickly. My room is pretty much done. I just have to make the bed once everything is dry. I think I might do a little bit more dusting though. Like I think I'm just gonna run a cloth down the track of the wardrobe and then maybe up on like the windowsill as well. I have this little section next to my wardrobe and my window, and it used to be where my accessories would sit until I got my chest of drawers, and now I just have this grey tray that I got from Target with some random accessories on it that I don't really love, so I might box them up and donate them. And then I think I might put a plant up here or something because I feel like this would be a good spot for a plant. My stuff on the balcony dried so quickly. I've got my Doona cover out there now drying. Hopefully it'll dry in a couple of hours. This one only took maybe an hour to dry, which is amazing. Anyway, I'm done in here. I'm gonna head out into the living room. This is the state of my living room. It's not too bad. There's just a few things that need to be put away, but I do really need to dust and vacuum because I haven't done it since it's been the new year yet, and there's just so much fluff everywhere. So I'm gonna get in, tidy up, and just do a really thorough dusting and vacuuming. Living room is done. I even did the windowsills, so there's a lot less dust in here, which is great. Okay, I cannot believe how quickly my sheets dried today. Like, it's so hot out there, but it's great because now I get to make my bed. Okay, so everything that you just saw was filmed a couple of days ago, and now I'm gonna get into what I filmed today. I'm gonna start my kitchen today because it is an absolute mess. I filmed an Instagram campaign for these beauty bites here, which are in this box, and that's why I have coconut and lemon and just stuff everywhere. I even have chopped up pieces of beauty bites over here that I was using to be able to shoot the little Instagram reel. My floor is like really squeaky right here. I don't know what it's doing, but it's very squeaky where I'm standing. Anyway, yeah, I need to clean the kitchen because I made a mess shooting a campaign, and if you want to see it, it'll be up on my Instagram now. I'll have it linked in the description. Next up, I need to do my entryway. It's actually not too bad. There's just a few things on the floor, like I would put my shoes away. I do have to deal with this box here that's full of stuff, and I just haven't had a chance to get it done for months now, but it's on my to-do list, and yeah, so I'm just gonna tidy this up. Next up is my desk space. It's actually pretty clean. I love it when my desk tends to stay clean. There are a bunch of receipts on the floor for some reason. I don't know why they're on the floor, but I need to clean them up. My whole apartment clean with me. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. Up the top you can check out my last video, down the bottom I will leave a link to another one of my videos, and I will see you in the next one.